Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge courses and quiz. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 8 Geography, chapter 4 Agriculture. So let's solve textbook exercise. What is agriculture? Agriculture is a primary activity that includes growing crops, vegetables, fruits, flowers, and rearing livestock. Agriculture is a primary activity as it is connected with the extraction and production of natural resources. Second, name the factors influencing agriculture. The factors that influence agriculture include soil, climate, topography, population, etc. Next, what is shifting cultivation? What are its disadvantages? Shifting cultivation is also known as slash and burn cultivation. It is a type of farming activity which involves clearing of a land plot by cutting down trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed with the soil and crops are grown. After the land has lost its fertility, it is abandoned. The farmers then move to a new place. The disadvantages of shifting cultivations are leads to deforestation, loss of fertility of a particular land, leads to soil erosion, burning of trees causes air pollution, insufficient cultivation of crops for a large population. Next, what is plantation agriculture? Plantations are type of commercial farming where single crops of tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana, cotton are grown. Large amounts of capital and capitals are required. The produce may be processed on the farm itself or in nearby factories. The development of transport network is thus essential for such farmings. Major plantations are found in the tropical regions of the world. Rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka are some examples. Next, name the fiber crops and name the climatic conditions required for their growth. Jute and cotton are fiber crops. The climate conditions necessary for the growth of jute are high temperature, heavy rainfall and high humidity. Similarly, for the growth of cotton, high temperature, light rainfall, bright sunshine are required. Next, tick the correct answer. Horticulture means growing of fruits and vegetables. Golden fiber refers to jute. Leading producer of coffee, Brazil. Give reason. Next question is give reason. First one, in India, agriculture is a primary activity. Agriculture is a primary activity because many regions in India have fertile land that is favorable for agriculture. 2/3 of Indian population still depends on agriculture. This is mainly because of lack of literacy among the people. Hence, India being a diversely populated country requires large-scale production of food to fulfill the people's need. Next, different crops are grown in different regions. Different crops are grown in different regions because growing the crops depends on factors such as favorable topography of soil, demand of produce, type of climate, amount of rainfall, technology and labor. Next, distinguish between the following. The first one is prime activity and tertiary activities. So first, primary activities are related to production and extractions of natural resources such as fishing, agriculture, mining, whereas tertiary activities are those that produce support to primary and secondary sector is carrying out their activities like transportation, banking, etc. Next, subsistence farming and intensive farming. Subsistence farming is a type of farming that the farmer practices to meet the needs of his family. The cultivation of crops are done for personal consumption. It involves low levels of technology and household labor to produce a small output. In intensive subsistence agriculture, the farmers cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Rice, wheat, maize, pulses and oilseeds are grown Crops grown in these types of farming. Intensive subsistence farming is prevalent in the thickly populated areas of monsoon regions. So this was chapter 4 of NCERT solution for class 8 geography. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in the comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.